आज आपण 12वी राज्यशास्त्राच्या जो आराखडा आहे मार्काचा त्याबद्दल माहिती पाहणार आहोत. प्रश्नपत्रिकेचे स्वरूप वगैरे. सुरुवातीला इंग्लिश मीडियम विद्यार्थ्यासाठी पाहू. महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड ऑफ सेकंडरी अँड हायर सेकंडरी स्कूल सब्जेक्ट पॉलिटिकल सायन्स स्टँडर्ड 12th मार्क्स वाइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ वर्कशीट पॉलिटिकल सायन्स फर्स्ट टर्म एग्जाम 2020-21 time 2.5 hours marks 50. Question number 1, name of the question. A, complete the following statements selecting appropriate words given in the bracket. Option काय दिलेले नाहीत. marks 3, marks with option 3. हा प्रथम सत्राचा प्रश्नपत्रिकेचं स्वरूप आहे. मार्क्स 50. त्याच्यानंतर बी, कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेन्स बाय यूजिंग अप्रोप्रिएट रिजन. मार्क्स 3, मार्क्स विथ ऑप्शन 3. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 सी, स्टेट द अप्रोप्रिएट कॉन्सेप्ट फॉर द गिवन स्टेटमेंट. ऑप्शन नो, marks 3, marks with option 3. D, find the odd word out and write. Option no, marks 3, marks with option 3. Question number 2, complete the following concept map. Marks 4, marks with option 4. Question number 3, state with reasons whether the following statements are true or false. Any 3. Option 5, mark 6. Every question or every bit for 2 marks. Marks with option 10. Question number 4, explain your opinion about the following in 25 to 30 words. Any 2. 3 marks. Option 3, marks 8. Marks with option 12. Answer the following in 80 to 100 words. Any 2. Option 3, marks 10. Every bit is only 5 marks and marks with option 15 marks. Question number 6, answer any one question with reference to given points in 150 to 200 words. Option 2, marks 10, marks with option 20. Marks of first term question paper of 50 marks, marks with option 73. Then marks wise distribution of worksheet political science annual term exam 2020 to 21, marks 80, टाइम 3 आवर्स होना चाहिए. 3 आवर्स, 2.5 ये गलत है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, यहाँ टाइम 3 आवर्स यहाँ रॉन्ग हो गया है, प्रिंट मिस्टेक है ये. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, नेम ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. ए, चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव एंड कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स. नो ऑप्शन, marks 5, marks with option 5. Question number 1, B, identify the incorrect pair in every set, correct it and rewrite. Option no, marks 3, marks with option 3. Question number 1, C, complete the following statement by using appropriate reason. Marks 4, marks with option 4. D, State the appropriate concept for the given statements. Marks 4. Marks with option 4. E. Find the odd word in the given set. Marks 4. Marks with option 4. Question number 2. A. Complete the concept map. Marks 4. Marks with option 4. Question number 2. B. Observe the given map and answer the following questions. Marks 5. Marks with option 5. Number 3. State whether the following statements are true or false with reason. Any 3. Option 7. Marks 10. Marks with option 14. Question number 5. Explain the correct between the following any 3. Option 5. Marks 9. Marks with option 15. Question number 5. Answer the following question in 80 to 100 marks. Any 2. यहाँ प्रिंट मिस्टेक हुआ है. Any 3 है यहाँ. Any 3. Any 3. और ऑप्शन 5 मार्क्स 12. यानी 3 में से हर क्वेश्चन 4 मार्क्स के लिए है, यानी टोटल मार्क्स 12. मार्क्स विथ ऑप्शन 5 इंटू 4 20 हो गए. नंबर 6 यहाँ दुरुस्त कीजिए. एनी 3 है यह. एनी 3. 4 मार्क्स लिए हर क्वेश्चन है. नंबर 6. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन 80 to 100 वर्ड्स. एनी 2 यानी एवरी क्वेश्चन इज ओनली 5 मार्क्स. ऑप्शन 4 है. मार्क्स विथ ऑप्शन 20. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन 150 to 200 वर्ड्स with reference to the given points. Option 2 marks 10. Marks with option 20. Total marks 80 है और marks with option 118 marks. Practical examination based on applied questions. Internal evaluation marks 20. Time 1 hour. Notice every question is compulsory. Number 2. Each question carries 1 marks. First, calculation of plant population for given area. 1. Do you think that world's multipolar march is responsible for creating tense situation? Number 2. What can we do for enhancement of environment in your village? Mention your opinion. Number 3. In India, which name is replaced for Niyojan Ayog? Number 4. Do you think that the gender difference issue have been decreased because of various statutes made in reference to women? Number 5. Indian administration become dynamic because of e-governance. Mention your opinion. Number 6. Law of right to information help to improve Indian administrative management. Mention your opinion. Number 7. Explain how common man can comment on national and international issues because communication revolution in India. Number 8. Making India self-dependent means increasing domestic product imports. Mention your opinion. Number 9. In the current time, Indian role model attained importance in world's politics. Mention your opinion. Number 10. According to you, did Lokpal and Lok Ayukt, Public Commissioner, Management System prove helpful in decreasing corruption in India? Terrorism is becoming a big hurdle in India's progress. Mention your opinion. 12. Did the Indian Consumer Court prove capable of protecting consumers' issues? Mention your opinion. 13. How women's contribution on local level is increasing because of 73 and 74th amendment in constitution. 14. Do you think that the preamble to constitution is a milestone in the path to national unity in India? 15. In your opinion, the ambitious schemes of Sagarmala and Bharatmala will help increase India's trade? 16. Give your opinion on the idea of a participatory state that will increase the participation of ordinary citizens in the decision making process. 17. Do you think that Indian culture was threatened by the onslaught of global cosmopolitan culture? 18. Do you think that the freedom of citizens was threatened by the materialism created by the communication revolution? 19. Give your opinion on the fact that Brexit further underscored the nationalist sentiment of England. And 20. Describe your opinion on whether a bowl of salad could be an appropriate concept for describing India.